Hello, this is iPad Geek 94, showing you guys how to get the SiriPort name ACIDSIRI. Before we begin, if you guys have any old SiriPorts like Sprite or Spire, stuff like that, you want to make sure you remove that before you install ACIDSIRI. So let's go on to the tutorial. So first, what you want to do is open Cydia. Actually, what I found with ACIDSIRI is they actually have dictation with it. I haven't really found that on Spire for some reason, so that's why I'm just picking to have this port. Okay, let me cancel here. Okay, so there's two repos you could actually get this package from. I will have both of those repos in the description of this video, but one of them is this right here. I know you really can't see good, but I have that in the description of the video. And then the second one is by your Apple. And then after you add near one of those repos, you want to go to search. Okay, then you want to search ACIDSIRI like this. I know you can't really see good there, but or you can just go to manage, then sources, then go to the repo, and then just scroll down to the A until you find this package. Okay, so once you search ACIDSIRI, you will see a whole list of things. There's this one right here. It doesn't really matter about the repo, but just make sure you get the ACIDSIRI for your iOS version. So if I have iOS 5.1.1, I will get it here. But that one is kind of the same thing. They're all one with 5.1.1 iOS. So I'm just gonna choose the one on top. For you guys, it would say install on the top right button. So you just want to download and install that, and it's going to take a while. It can take from 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on the internet connection. But when it installs, make sure you don't do anything. Just leave your device alone until it's finished installing. Or you can actually break your device. Then you just need to do a full restore, which is just a pain in the ass. So it's going to tell you after you fully install that to reboot the device. So once you reboot the device, you just want to hit on send. Then you just want to scroll down, and then right here, this one just shows the information. Just hit on the one without the arrow. And then here's where you can enter any Siri server host you're using. So I'm using Green River. Sorry, my bad. Green River Siri server. So I just entered the host of that server right over here. And you want to make sure after you finish entering it, you want to go on the beginning of the H and hit here X. You want to make sure there's no space behind that, or else it's not going to work. And then the next step is to make sure you have, well, actually the really first step is to make sure Siri is enabled. Some packages are unable Siri by itself, but just to make sure, you want to go to General Siri, then enable Siri. Yeah, that does for neighborhood. And then you want to go all the way down to profiles. And make sure you got the white certificate for the server you're using, or else it's not going to work. So then after that, you wait just to use Siri. So I'll show you an example right here. What time is it?
PM.
Tell me a joke.
Two iPhones walk into a bar. I forget the rest.
So basically, ACIDSIRI is the same, SiriPort as, the rest of them. But what I noticed different about this port than Sprite is they actually have dictation, which I haven't found in Sprite for some reason. So, I can do a dictation right here like this. Hello, this is a dictation. Yeah, I might have I might have to redo that again, but oh yeah, you got it. So I say hello, this is a dictation, and right there, I know you can't really see it clear. It says hello, this is a dictation. So basically, this actually put that noise actually have dictation, and I kind of missed that dictation feeling. It's not really the full Siri experience without the dictation, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so pretty much that's it. If you guys have any questions, any problems, you can always comment down below, or you can message me. I also have a Twitter account, so if you want to add my Twitter, follow me for updates and stuff like that. The little thing will be right over here. And if you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below. Yeah, see ya.